Mediana Meeyam Wakhallon Honghanba Ngambagi power Pairiba Aduga chap Manaba responsibility amasu Leiribani haibasi keidounung kaoroidabani haina Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor Lokendra phongdorakli Manipur University Department of Mass Communication amadi NIBIAA Consultancy Private Limited Senduna Numinini Chathagadaba Empowering Voices in Northeast India haina mingthonba National Conference ama hogdokpagi thoramda wafam asi mahakna phongdokhibani Manipur University ki court hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda mahakna makhatana hai khunai asida socio-economic natraga political issue ama solve tawnaba hotnabada mediana achauba thogdang loribani technology amasung digital platforms seng chawkhalakpagi matung inna masidi information kya line phangba ngamle adubu line phanglabasu aikoina cheksinbagi chang di hengatpagi tangai fadaba leirakle ethical journalism haibasi mamang thakta thogdang ama oina khaktamak longnaramba adu ngasidi thogdang ama oibagi mathakta responsibility ama oina logdaba yaraktre India gi Northeast region gumba furup kyana khundaba mafam asidadi furup sing adu gi nat amadi chanabi sing adu ikai khumnabaga loinana pawdambagi tangai fadaba lei ngasigi khunai asida social responsibility khangna chatpa media gi tangai fadaba lei haina su mahakna makhatana phongdokhi thoramadda Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Lokendra University Asigi Department of Social Sciences ki Dean Professor Meeyam Rajiva Gandhi University Arunachal Pradesh ki Department of Journalism and Mass Communication ki Head Professor Khaba Kabi Amadi NIBIAA Consultancy Private Limited ki Chairman Professor Irabantana Maru Aiba Mithunglen Singh Oina Saruk Yakhi.
Media professionals must balance the freedom of press with the ethical obligation to promote truth and transparency. They must ask themselves, is this story contributing to the public good? Am I representing all sides fairly? Am I respecting the cultural sensitivities of the communities that I report on? These are not just professional considerations, but these are ethical imperatives. One of the most pressing challenges of our time is the rise of misinformation, disinformation, and fake news. False narratives, whether driven by ignorance or malice, can exacerbate existing tensions, disrupt peace, and mislead communities. Thus, media plays a pivotal role in countering this menace. Fact-checking must become a fundamental practice, and corroborating information with credible sources must be non-negotiable.